In this video, I will show you how to change the image shape on collection pages in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin account and go to Online Store. Then click on Edit Theme. Once the theme editor loads, on the left side, find your featured collection or collection section and click to expand it. After that, go into Product Cards or Image Settings, depending on your theme version. Here you will see the Image Shape option, where you can choose different styles like square, portrait, or rounded depending on how you want your store to look. Now scroll a little further and you will also find the border settings. Here you can control how your product images look by adjusting the style, which can be set to none or solid. You can also adjust the thickness, for example 9, and set the opacity, for example 100. Below that, you will see the corner radius option, where you can make the images more sharp or more rounded depending on your design preference. Once you are happy with all the changes, click Save. Now go back to your website and refresh the page, and you will see the updated image shape and border style applied to all product cards on your collection pages. I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe to my channel.